Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Livia 90. Came into the shop for a general tune-up and also to address one of the issues it had. The shower screen here was actually stuck, and we needed to replace it. With the general tune-up, we ended up doing a group head service and replace these anyways, but the screw was stuck, so we had to get a little creative to remove it. And as you can see here, this is the group head gasket. It's in pieces because it's really brittle, lost a lot of its pliability. So we ended up, doing a full group head or a group head service where we cleaned it out, replaced the gaskets, and then backflushed the machine. Then we also descaled the machine. Then I also adjusted the OPV. It was screeching a little bit. That's about it. So I'm just going to do a test shot here. This is our test coffee. We don't have, our grinders calibrated, for this at all, so it might not come out as the best shot, but this is just to demonstrate that, the machine itself functions as you'd expect. So here we go. And it's coming out a little coarse, a little runny, and that's probably because the grinder setting was a little coarse, or very coarse actually. So, So, not the best shot, but we have a working pump, and we have steam. Oh yeah, in addition to to the rest of the service, I also serve this as steam wand. There was an issue with these old non-articulating steam wands. Use like a jam nut that it attaches to the valve. So there's a nut attached to the steam wand that you screw directly in, and then there's a jam nut that goes back down on it to clamp it in place. And as it aged, it got to the point where, like, if you just twisted the steam wand around, it would actually unscrew the nut in there. So I ended up having to adjust that. It's a bit of a pain to do, but as you can see here, we have a nice moving steam wand, that is not going to unscrew itself. And then we also replaced a gasket inside the steam tip. So yeah, that's about it. And here we got water. So yeah, thank you for watching.